Hey y'all, here's how I made my fabric rag tree for Christmas. So for the base, I'm just gluing together 2 wood slices, the same as the other little trees that we've made. I'm drilling a hole down between them and gluing in a wooden dowel. And I got this fabric off of Amazon. It's just a one-sided fabric. It would be best if you have like a double-sided fabric. And the fabric is 18 inches long, so I'm just cutting that in half into 9-inch pieces. So you're just going to tie your fabric strip around your wooden dowel. And you're just going to repeat this process until you have your wooden dowel as full as you want it to be. And you can trim it up as you go along if you want to try to shape it as you go. So now mine's almost finished, so I'm just fluffing it out, and then we're going to add our final top pieces. So for the top pieces, I'm just doing a little bit of glue in the center of my fabric strip and then just gluing it over top of it and kind of like pinching it down to create a little point. And I used 3 different pieces and just offset them so that they would cover each side. And then add a little bow for the final touch. So here's how mine turned out once it was all complete. I think it turned out really cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.